Hi guys, today we are making this delicious fish that is perfect, especially if you have kids, because it has very minimal bones. The first thing I want to do is I want to start cleaning my fish with vinegar water. This is what I do for all the fish because it kills all the germs and all that jazz. And as I say, this is Nile perch, which is a perfect fish, especially for kids, because it only has one bone that's in the middle. It's not like tilapia that has all those tiny bones that are quite dangerous. So I highly recommend this fish. On top of the fish, we're also going to need some black pepper, turmeric, any mixed spice like royco. Then I have salt, cornstarch, wheat flour, fresh rosemary, and lemons, which you're going to see later. So we're going to mix all of our dried ingredients. So I'll put 1 cup of wheat flour into a bowl. Then I'll add half a cup of cornstarch, the salt, and then you add the spices just as much as you need. And then we are going to mix them well. And now I'm taking my cleaned and dried fish and coating it in the flavored flour, making sure to cover every piece of fish, but also to shake off the excess. Because what happens when you don't shake off the excess, then your frying oil ends up having so many floating pieces of flour, and nobody wants that. I've done another video showing you 4 amazing fish recipes. In those recipes, we used tilapia, but they are so good. Make sure you check it out. How I know that my oil is nice and hot is I put in a cooking stick, and if I see bubbles once the cooking stick goes in, then I know it's nice and hot. I like to flavor my oil by putting in something like rosemary or garlic, because this takes your dish, any dish that you're deep frying, to the next level, literally. Now it's time to put in the fish, and I'm going to fry it until it's nicely cooked on the inside and golden brown on top. Normally this will take about 7 to 10 minutes depending on the size of your fish. I also will make sure that I flip it halfway so that it cooks well on both sides. I want it nice and crunchy, but also, as I said, well done. Because you know it's fish, you guys. You always have to make sure it is well done all the way. Let me know which is your favorite way of making fish for your family, especially for younger kids. And if this is the kind of content that you like, remember to give us a thumbs up and also to subscribe. So my fish is done. So I want to remove it from the oil and put it on a rack so that the oil can drip away. And it smells so good, not only because the fish is nice and fried and also fresh, but also the rosemary just takes it to a whole new level, and it is crunchy. Can't wait to taste this. last step is to drizzle some lemon juice for extra flavor, and look at that. It is so well done on the inside. No bones in sight apart from the one in the middle. Kids are not going to choke. They are going to love this like I do. Oh my goodness.